everybody and welcome to this flip through of my version of the Cathe Holden journal. I was thrilled when I received a package from America that had the Cathe Holden papers and ephemera and stickers, etc. in it, and I instantly made up a smallish folio, and that sold quite quickly. But now I've made something a little bit more detailed. Well, actually what I was trying to do was make a different folio, and I've got carried away like I always do. But I do like this. It's a kind of folio stroke journal. What does that make it? I don't know. A I don't know. Anyway, you'll see. So it's held together with this lovely, really gorgeous red satin ribbon that's got a shot of gold through it. It's lovely. Let me just undo that and we'll have a look at the cover. There we are. So I've just got corrugated cardboard that I've gessoed. This beautiful image from the book. There were three paper pads. There are three paper pads in the set. One is floral, one is neutrals, and one's green. But I must say I've heard, unsurprisingly, quite heavily on the floral side of things. So this is my cover. I really like it. It highlights the papers, just a little bit of lace around it, and some of the ephemera that you get in the ephemera packs, and there's loads. Each pack's got loads in. It's got a little journal plate, nameplate there. I've put a bit of paper in. You can. I've left it just a little bit proud so you can get it out and put in whatever you want, journal, your name, whatever. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Well, there we go. That's what's there. But then, hang on. Oh yes, hang on. Oh my, look at all that. Right, so here on the extreme left we've got this lovely side tuck pocket with a journaling card, cream card on the back. They're very sturdy, no problem at all journaling on this. And I've backed the whole thing, every page, with music paper. I really like it. It's kind of, it looks vintage. Actually, the book that it came out of was a vintage book. But I don't know, music paper always has that look to me. So that pops into there like that. And this is a collage of some of the papers and some stickers. The stickers are fabulous. And I've just put, trying to keep the bulk down really in this section, I've just put a piece of thin cream lace down there. This section, a little pocket at the bottom, some more cream lace and another sticker. And then we've got two little tags, tags. And I've used music paper just at the top. I haven't put anything through them like ribbon or twine or anything because, as I say, I'm trying to keep it as flat as I can. And then this is a piece of ephemera from one of the ephemera packs, and it's just perfect. It's perfect. And then at the back we've got this. Now I haven't decorated this at all because it's just simply beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I've just put a piece of music paper there at the top. They're all cream card, so you can easily journal on them. Pop that at the back, and these two little ones at the front. These are stickers from the book, from the sticker pack, should I say. So moving along, we've got this, which, oh, look at that paper. I can't tell you how much I love it. I just love it. And I've put a couple of stickers on here. Two bits from the ephemera pack there. And that lifts up. And then we've got, ooh, you can barely see it. Let me move it down a bit. There we go. A pocket in there. Music paper, of course. A journaling card and a tag. And they fit into that pocket. A little bit of lace along there. Then here we've got the pocket with a little bit of lace. I haven't jazzed that up at all because it didn't matter wherever I put what I was going to stick on. It covered up this gorgeous flower and I didn't want to do that. So here we've got another tag. Once again, it's too pretty to cover. So that just fits into there. That folds down, lies nice and flat. Then here we've got a belly band with lace down each side and a nice, oh, that's so pretty, a nice journaling card in there. You can see all the music paper, looks lovely. And then over here we've got a side pocket, and here I couldn't help myself, I just put that pretty cornflower and one of the stickers from the sticker pack, and then this journal card, which is a bit of a collage, and I like it. I think it works really well. And that just goes in there. And the music paper shows it off so well, it really does. And then moving along, we've got two journal sections, actual journals, like that. This is paper from the book too. These are fussy cut out of a sheet of paper. So it says student's notebook. I just thought it was appropriate. We're all students, aren't we? We're all still learning. And this is the journal, coffee stained paper, and I've just splashed it with some green and pink, some little page edging pieces here and there, some beautiful stamps, some text stamp as well on there. All the edges are inked around. So that's that. They're held in with elastic, which is great because you can take it out. But they are sewn together as well. So each journal is sewn. You can take it all out like that, and you've got a journal that's not going to fall apart because it's sewn in. I've left the string ends quite long because I don't know if you want to put a bead on them or whatever. If you don't, just snip them off. And they go back into there like so. So that's one. The other one is very similar. Stamps and page edges and lots of splashes and text, and yeah. So those are the journals. And then here, excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. We've got 3 pages that are just journaling as well, but showing off the beautiful paper. So there's that one, journaling on the back. There's this one. I've even filled that little bit in there with music paper, and this one. So you've got journaling on the back of there, and then on the very back we've got this, which is as you can see, another tag. I've actually collaged that onto there. I didn't need to, I had enough paper and everything, but I just liked it. It kept with the sort of collage theme that we've got going throughout here. Fits into there, and then this tiny little bit that came in one of the ephemera packs, and I just made a little tiny little pocket there, which brings us onto the back, which is another collage. Really pretty. So there is my journal, my folio, whatever you choose to call it. Well, it's a journal, isn't it, with an added folio. A folio on the side. So yeah, that's it. It just opens up and up and up, and each side is really nice. So I hope you like it. I love it. I love this Cathe Holden stuff. It's fabulous. But I actually also really like this style. I like this folio. It's much more complex than the other ones that I'm offering in my Etsy shop. But I will walk you through this. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to do it in black with Tim Holtz paper in ephemera. That's, I think, going to be my next project. But I'll walk you through it step by step. It'll be on my channel and you'll see exactly how to make it. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.